So you see him. Take your time, dude. Bring him in. That's female. Take it.
Sure.
Alright, I got it. I'm just gonna adjust my arm. That's a nice 6-7 pound fucking brown right there, Petey. On blue too, huh? That's a female.
What's that, man? We keeping her?
It's up to you, man. She's full of eggs. But we got a lot of eggs, you know, I mean. Yep. I got it on this. Just don't even bother.
The phone?